Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ZTE RedMagic 6R and let me share with you how to change system language on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll down to the very bottom to find advanced settings. Now we have to tap on languages and input and enter languages. And as you can see here, we've got the list of all previously added languages. We've got only English, so let's change it and tap on add a language. And here we've been transferred to the full list of all available languages from which we can choose. So as you can see in this device, this list is so wide and impressive, so I'm pretty sure that you will find the language you'd like to use. And basically all you have to do, as I said, is to find the language and tap on it. So let me pick maybe French, just tap, and of course depending on the language you will be able to pick the region sometimes. So let me pick this one for example. And as you can see, the French language has been applied to this list, but the English is still a main one. So in order to actually set the French, we have to tap on it and hold it and drag it to the very first position. And as you can see, from now on the French is at the very top, and the whole system, the whole menu is displayed in the chosen language, so in my case French. Let me show it to you again. Tap on it, hold it and drag it to the first position. And again we've got the English. If you want to remove the language from this list, just tap on the three dots icon here and mark the one you'd like to remove, trash bin icon and confirm it, and as you can see we've got English. So actually this is it. This is how to change system language in your ZTE RedMagic 6R. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.